Hello guys! Today we are gonna talk about the efficiency of language. Have you ever wanted to say something in one language but realized it was much longer or much shorter than your native language? Some things are just more efficiently said in a certain language. Here are some examples using Indonesian and English. Hi Bal, I'm so frustrated with my boyfriend.
Why?
Because he won't let me go out with my friends even though it was my friend's birthday.
Why did he say that?
I don't know. He doesn't want me to go out with anyone besides him.
See, I told you, Yuli, he's no good. You really should break up with him.
Gue kesel banget sama cowok gue.
Hah? Kenapa lagi?
Dia nggak bolehin gue pergi sama temen gue, padahal itu ulang tahun temen gue.
Lah, masih gitu?
Iya, jadi dia tuh nggak bolehin gue pergi sama siapapun kecuali dia.
Kan.
Bang Erik, can you help me to solve this problem? I don't understand. Bang Erik? Bang Erik?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. What did you say?
Kak, bisa bantuin nggak sih? Nggak ngerti loh gue. Kak.
Hah?
Bang, did you see my phone?
No?
I can't find it.
Where did you see it last?
I don't know. I forget.
Sorry.
My mom's gonna kill me. This is the third phone I've lost.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna get it now!
Kak, lo liat HP gua nggak sih?
Hah? Enggak.
Mana ya?
Terakhir taruh mana?
Nggak tahu, lupa. Waduh, pasti nyokap gua bakal ngamuk nih. Ini udah ketiga kalinya HP gua hilang.
Ayo lo. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And if you want to see more great videos like this, make sure you click the notification bell. See you next time. Bye!